Heaven on a stick. The earliest ice cream was probably snow mixed with honey or fruit juice. It is known to have been eaten by the Romans first of all. The early Arabs and Persians also ate something similar called sherbet, from which the word sorbet has been derived. It was the Italians who first introduced ice cream to the rest of Europe. In 1533, the Italian princess Catherine married the French king Henry II. She took her cooks with her to France. It was these cooks who showed the French ice cream for the first time. They showed how a mixture of ice and salt could be used to make ice cream. The king's expert chefs experimented with the ice cream mixture and improved it a lot. However, they guarded the secret of their recipes. Thus, ice cream remained a novelty for a long time. But by the second half of the 19th century, it became quite popular. By this time, the recipe was no longer a secret. The first commercial manufacturer of ice cream was a dairy man named Jacob Fussell of US. He had surplus of cream, and in 1851, he built a factory to make ice cream. However, ice cream was not widely available until refrigeration was developed around 1900. Before that, ice cream was made in revolving churns. A layer of ice and salt was put outside the chamber containing the ice cream mixture. It slowly froze the ingredients while they were being revolved and mixed. Most ice cream is a mixture of milk fat, sugar, and flavoring. Some kinds of ice cream contain eggs also. During the process of manufacture, a large amount of air is made to enter the mixture to make it light and foamy. The modern process of making ice cream. The ingredients are first collected and mixed. They are then pasteurized to destroy any bacteria or germs that might be present in them. Pasteurization means heating something in order to kill the harmful germs in it. To produce a smooth texture, the milk fat is broken up into tiny particles. This process is called homogenization. The total mixture is then cooled and put into the freezer. Inside the freezer, the ice cream mixture has to be stirred all the time. This is done by very fast rotating paddles. The mixture nearest to the side of the container has to be beaten back into the rest of the mixture. Thus, the whole mass gets frozen uniformly. The mixture starts to freeze at about -2 degrees Celsius. While the ice cream is soft, it is shaped into bars. It can be coated with chocolate or other flavors. It is then packaged in cartons ranging in size from individual servings to many different larger sizes. The packaged ice cream is then placed in hardening rooms at temperatures ranging from -23 degrees Celsius to -26 degrees Celsius. It is left in these rooms for at least 6 hours before it is ready to be delivered to stores. Ice cream lovers can also make their own at home. For the best results, they should buy a home ice cream freezer, which is like a small version of the factory freezer. It has a paddle to stir the mixture and to keep it creamy and smooth. A rougher form of ice cream can be made using an ordinary home freezer. The mixture is first partially frozen in a tray. Then it is taken out and beaten so that large lumps and ice crystals are not formed. The mixture is then frozen at the coldest setting. It is important to remember that ice cream, like other dairy products, should be eaten soon after it has been made. Otherwise, bacteria will grow rapidly and make the product unhealthy to eat.